Hello everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice square root algebra problem. So guys, let's get started. So we have this to be equal to the square root of 30 root 5 minus, now we can easily express 50 to be 10 multiply what? 5. But we want to simply know that we can easily express a to be equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of a. So this implies that we can express 5 to be equal to the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 5. So this is equal to the square root of 30 root 5 minus 10 multiply the square root of 5 multiply the square root of what? 5. Alright, so this is equal to the square root. Now from here we have the root of 5 to be common, so if you factor that out we have 30 minus what? 10 root what? 5. But we know that the square root of a multiply b is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So this is equal to the square root into the square root of 5 multiply the square root of 30 minus 10 root what? 5. But we know that the square root of a is equal to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. So this is equal to the 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply the square root of 30 minus what? 10 root what? 5. But if we have a raised to the power of n multiply raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n multiply what? N. So this is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply the square root of 30 minus what? 10 root what? 5. Alright, so this is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 2 multiply 2 is 4 multiply the square root of 30 minus what? 10 root what? 5. So this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the square root of 30 minus, now we can easily express 10 to be 2 multiply 5 root what? 5. Okay, so this is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the square root. Now we can easily express 30 to be 25 plus 5 minus 2 multiply 5 multiply the square root of what? 5. So this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the square root. Now we can easily express 25 to be what? 5 square plus 5 minus 2 multiply 5 multiply the square root of what? 5. Alright, but we know that a is equal to the square root of a or squared. So this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the square root of 5 square plus the square root of 5 square multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply the square root of what? 5. Then at this point we are going to say if a is equals to what? 5 and b is equals to the square root of 5, then we have that a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b or square. So this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the square root of, so we have this to be 5 minus the square root of 5 or what? Square. But we know that the square root of a square is equals to the absolute value of what? A. So this is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the absolute value of 5 minus the square root of what? 5. Alright, so from here we want to know that if we have the absolute value of a is equals to a, this implies that a is what? Positive. Okay, and if the absolute value of a is equals to negative a, this implies that a is what? Negative. So from here we have that 5 minus the square root of 5 is greater than 0. So this implies that the absolute value of 5 minus the square root of 5 is equals to 5 minus the square root of what? 5. So hence we have that 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply the absolute value of 5 minus the square root of 5. This is equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiply 5 minus the square root of what? 5. And this becomes the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra problem. So with this guys, I'll see you in the next video.